Okay, today S23 FE screen replacement. We have a screen without a frame, we're gonna replace it. Okay, first you heat the back. After you heat the back, just put a razor and get a playing cards and go under it so you don't break it. Me, I already remove it, so it's so easy now for me. So after you remove the back part, we're gonna remove the bottom screws. Again, this is S23 FE screen replacement without frame. The screen without frame is way cheaper than a screen with a frame. It's about, the screen without frame was around 75 bucks, with a frame around 100 bucks. So let's try it out and see how it goes. Looks like the connector is at the bottom, so we're gonna remove the bottom part. See if we can just connect it from here. So after we removed all this, okay, so if we put it like this, okay, let's remove this and see where is the connector. First time I fix this phone. Alright, so this is the screen connector, easy. So we don't have too much work then. So you need to heat the screen in the front so we can remove it. We're gonna heat it for a couple minutes. After we heat it, you just put a, since it's broken, you don't worry about it, just put down, put something like plier tools and go around it. And after you remove it, as you can see, it's here. We remove the old one. Now we need to put the new one. Okay, we need to clean it. So let's clean the okay, after we did some little cleaning, I'm gonna open the screen here. We're gonna test it before we put the glue, just in case it's broken. Okay, it's right here. Have to put like this so we can click it, connect, 1, 2, 3. Now we can turn it on. No, the screen already on. Oh, perfect. So now we can glue it and it's done. Okay, now we're let's disconnect it first. So now, what is this? Oh, I think this is for the fingerprint. Okay, after we remove this, now we need to put glue. I prefer to cover this one for a second, or not really now, because we still need it open. I'm gonna use double tape. Actually, I want to do something. I need to disconnect the battery. Okay, always disconnect the battery just to be safe. It's like extra 20 seconds of work to disconnect the battery. So we remove this and this. Alright, now I feel better. So now let's put double tape. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Now on bottom part. Okay, now we remove the double tape. Actually, I'm gonna put big one here, so I make it more secure. Put one here, and put other one here, so it will be really secure. Here we go. Right, now is the time you put the first connector inside. Make sure it's inside, you just glue it. Make sure you put the screen inside the frame, okay? Okay. Perfect. Okay, now let's connect it. Connect the battery. Put back the speaker. Alright. Looks like everything is working just perfect. Okay, as you can see, it's working just fine. Thanks for watching. See you later. All you have to do now, glue this back, double tape.